Steven. Never mind. I'm here. Thank you, Bookie. Steven keeps talking about another kid already. I'm like, bro, what? He's like, yeah, we can have a Murphy bed downstairs. And I'm like, another baby? Yeah, he wants a boy. And I'm like, your luck, it's gonna be a girl. Yeah. 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 I'm like, if you're having them, Steven, the other day on live, he was like, I want 10 kids. And I was like, excuse you. No, that's too much.